we're going to look at various scholarship opportunities at the University of Luxembourg. Recently, I uploaded a video talking about the tips for successful application at the University of Luxembourg. If you haven't seen that video, ensure that you watch that video after watching this particular one. All right. So you can pay as little as 200 euros to study at this university. Okay, depending on the program. The application is currently on, so ensure that you apply as soon as possible before the application deadline. All right. If you Google the country Luxembourg, you will see that Luxembourg's financial sector makes up 25% of its GDP, is the world's largest country by GDP per capita. With a population of just 660,000, the country is also considered a tax haven, incentivizing foreign investment due to its favorable tax policies. Recently, I saw a content on Facebook saying that in Luxembourg, there is free public transportation, free Wi-Fi, and free trains across the country. Tourists can also enjoy the feeling of taking a car casually. It's so cool, a very comfortable country. So if this is what you've been looking for, maybe you've applied for a school already in Luxembourg. Let's say you've applied to this university already, but you've been thinking about what to do, how to finance your studies. This content is for you. Or you've not applied yet, but seeing this content, you pick interest in moving to Luxembourg, then this content is also for you. Ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you will know the various scholarship opportunities at this university and take action. If you miss out on the deadline for this year's intake, ensure that you prepare towards the next academic year. All right. But before you apply, make sure you monitor the website, okay, to know which ones are available. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Breno. I live in Poland. I'm a business consultant and also a foreign admission expert. I'm here to help you. I've made a couple of videos already on my channel about jobs that you can use to move to Poland and also other opportunities on my channel. If you desire to move out of your home country or out of your present location into better places, let's say Europe, Canada, and so on, then this is the right channel for you. Ensure you are subscribed to this channel because subscribing to this channel will be of benefit to you as I drop videos about opportunities on my channel every week. So ensure you're subscribed and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of these videos. Hey, listen, I've been there and I know how it feels like when you desire opportunities and how to move out of where you are and you don't find them or you don't know how to do it. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So let's look at these scholarship opportunities. Okay, so I'm going to just show you preview of them. I'm going to put the link in the description under this video so that you can have access to them and look at them for yourself as well. All right. Now the first on my list here is this scholarship, that is the Gulum Dupex International Master Scholarship. Before I delve into that, there are different categories that you can search. For example, we have faculty-specific scholarships at the university and we have external scholarships. All right, but let's delve into this one first. All right, this one that is the Gulum Dupex International Master Scholarship. So if you want to study a bachelor's degree or master's, there are scholarship opportunities. Okay, so don't be put away. Don't think as if it's just for masters. All right, but I'm going to start with this one first. The Luxembourg Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs and the Ministry of Research and Higher Education are funding a talent support program, okay, which is known as the Gulum Dupex International Master Scholarship. It is aimed to attract high-achieving international students who wish to follow a master's program at the University of Luxembourg. It is for the level of master's degree, and I believe all countries are eligible. All right, it is taken for up to 2 years duration. Maximum number of students they are looking for is maximum 30 students per year, 10 per faculty. This is open to international applicants both from EU and non-EU countries applying to a master's degree. When I contacted the scholarship board, this is what they sent me. All right, they sent me this information, and there are 2 steps to applying for this scholarship, or to be able to apply for this scholarship. The first one is that you must first apply for the master's program of your choice on the admission portal and submit all the relevant documentation requested by the program. Of course, it has to be in one of these fields here below. Okay, it has to be in one of these fields. For example, Masters in Integrated System Biology, Masters in Space Technologies and Business, and so on. All right, it has to be one of these fields here. All right, and it has to be received before 29th of March. Okay, your application should be received before 29th of March to be considered for this scholarship. All right, so this is the first step that you have to do, all right, by applying for any of these courses here of your choice. Then, if you meet the program requirement and if your application is retained, you could be eligible for the scholarship and apply for it. An automatic email will be sent to you to fill in the scholarship application form and to upload the document required. That is, you need a motivation letter and 2 academic recommendation letters. Direct application to the scholarship program is not possible, and no document sent by email will be processed. All right, please follow the instruction. They will send you an automatic email after you've gotten admission. That is, if they feel that you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. All right, so that is the first one here, and there are various benefits that you can gain from this scholarship. For example, the stipend amount is 10,000 euros per academic year for up to 2 years, which is in total like 20,000 euros. In total, 20,000 euros. And also, one part of the scholarship covers student housing, and the remaining part is an amount paid in installment at the beginning of each semester for a maximum of 2 years. If you're interested in this scholarship, you need to read everything about the scholarship. The link is in the description under the video. All right, just go there and choose this particular scholarship. Okay, then you will see all the details about the scholarship. All right, now let's go to the next scholarship on my list here, which is the Lea Sena. This Lea Sena scholarship is open to either bachelor or masters. So if you are applying for bachelor's or master's degree, you are eligible for this scholarship, and it is open to all the fields. Okay, it is open to all fields. Whether you're applying for engineering or you're applying for business, you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. The duration is just 1 year. Then the amount of 30,000 euros per year is divided among 6 candidates. The maximum number of people they are looking for is 6 students per year. The next scholarship on my list is known as the Portabella. The Portabella scholarship is open to both bachelor's and master's degree students. It is open to all. Okay, the number of people they are looking for is 4. They are looking for 4 students. The eligibility criteria is that it should be a bachelor's or master's student in social or financial difficulties. This is basically like a difficulty scholarship for those who are in financial difficulty. The amount is variable, the duration is variable, meaning that it can change. It depends. For more information about this scholarship, I would recommend that you send them an email. Okay, email them through this email address. Then I believe they should be able to send you more information, or you should find out more information about the scholarship. So we have other scholarships like Advancia Bank Scholarship. We have Allen and Overy Scholarship. We have the Atos Foundation Scholarship. We have the Balose Fellowship and Scholarship. We have the Ferrero Fellowship. We have the Jacqueline Noel Scholarship. Okay, various scholarships. We have the Linklaters Making Links Scholarship Program. We have the Pierre Werner Scholarship. We have the PKF Fellowship and Internship. All right, so these ones I would ask you to check them by yourself. Okay, just check them by yourself. All you need to do is to go on the link in the description under this video, click on them. For example, when we click on this one, you will see more information on the scholarship. For example, this is open to masters in European and international tax law. Okay, this is the yearly stipend, which is 9,000 euros. Okay, and other information that you need to know. Then there's one I would like to share with you, which is the hardship assistance. For this scholarship, they have selection criteria, all right, that you will need to meet. So you just need to come and click and read these things, all right. Make sure you read these things. They even have, it even comprises of food vouchers, you know. Then they even have an application form here. Their email address is here. Any information you want to know about this scholarship, just email them. Then we have external scholarships like state support. We have single parent grants, okay. Then we have other ones that are here, all right. So you can explore this page by going to the link, by clicking on the link in the description under this video, and you will have access to all this information, all right. If you liked that video you just watched, please give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. And if you have any question, please put in the comment section below. Okay, till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.